Praise for me, guys, please. I'm very nervous, to be honest.
Don't be nervous, man.
Hey, it feels good. Feels good.
It's tame.
It's tame.
Yeah, I just want more.
All right, Simon. We've got 6% of battery left.
No.
Let's make it happen, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Wong, and today we are showcasing a one-of-a-kind JDM legend. Take a look at this, guys. It is a 2002 Mazda FD RX-7, and it's completely done up with 900 rear-wheel horsepower with a fully built Bridgeported 13B single turbo engine. This thing is no slouch, guys. It's absolutely beautiful, and I can't wait to showcase this car with you guys. We're out here with the owner and the man himself, Simon. Good to meet you, my man. How are ya? Bro, this car is crazy. Can you tell us a little bit about your baby over here?
It's a 2002 Mazda RX-7 FD.
Perfect.
Type R, Bathurst R. Had the car for about 2 years now.
You bought it stock or?
I bought it basically the shell as it is.
A rolling shell?
A rolling shell, yeah.
No way!
It was meant to be like, I bought it was all advertised for 95 with a full motor in there and that.
But it came with no motor?
It came with a motor, but it wasn't in the car.
That's a story to tell.
Yeah, so it was a good story. It was good build. So,
I mean, it's good now, right?
Oh, it's beautiful now. Yeah, standard motor, standard turbo.
So they say.
Yeah, so they say. You know.
Wow. So you've had the car for 2 years?
Had the car for 2 years now. Slowly building it up to the way I like it, and
awesome.
Yeah, just enjoying it.
Can we have a look at the engine bay as well?
No, definitely not. No,
Let's go home, guys. Guys, to be next to this thing right now is something else. It just has so much street presence. Whoa. Take a look at that, guys. What do we have here?
So we have
Big
here,
snail?
It's just a little aircon. You know?
That is huge, guys. Yeah. Absolutely huge.
So it's just a Pulsar G42 turbo.
Okay.
With a G45 front.
Perfect. Full
race Bridgeport built by Whale at 8 Racing.
Shout out to Whale.
Yeah, champion black male, I love you.
But guys, this is a fully done up 13B turbo. It's probably as fast as you can get it to be, really, or is there still more?
There's a lot more we're going to do to it, but
really?
now we just keeping things a little bit of hush hush. We're going to
race it.
Yeah, definitely going to race it. I'm going to race it with a standard box and the standard diff for now.
Standard gearbox.
So standard box, standard
with 900.
diff, with 900. We haven't smashed it yet, but I just want to beat world record with a standard box and the standard diff.
This car is probably capable of doing over 1,000, right?
Definitely, yeah.
Oh, this is very baby right now.
No, it's mid-range.
Mid-range?
Just sort of thing.
Guys, stay tuned for part 2, but for now, part 1 with Simon's crazy RX-7. Wow, big power. It's kind of scary.
No, not really, man.
Not really?
No, you get used to it.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah, you get used to it.
The last time we did a video, that was about 650 horsepower in an FD, and that was, for me personally, very scary. So this is, about 1.5 times faster. What a car. I'm sure it sounds a lot crazier than it is now.
Nah, it's only standard.
And it's not just the motor with this car, because it's got some killer 3-piece Simmons wheels in white.
Yep.
Never seen an FD with Simmons before.
Nah,
I like it.
Are you serious?
Oh, this is the first. I like it. How big are they? 19 inch?
No, they're only 19s, yeah.
Yeah, they look tough, man. It's very different. I like it.
Yeah.
And you've got a very JDM body kit.
Yeah.
Ings kit. I love it.
Yeah, it came with it, so yeah, just left it with it. It came with other wheels, so I like the Simmons.
It's a
white brings it out.
Yeah, it really complements JDM, and obviously we're in Australia.
Yeah.
So, I mean, these cars were sold as a Bathurst Star, so that is in Australia.
That's right.
And the rear end of this thing is delightful. So tasty. What taillights have you got here?
Katana tail lights.
Full LED.
Full LED, yeah, from Japan.
That's sick. Really, really cool. And this back end here is just insane.
Yeah, we all like our
Yeah, 100%. It looks so good. Let's have a look at the cockpit as well. Red brides.
Red brides.
Lomax.
At the back. It's got the Microtech dash.
Ah.
Thanks to Fabian. It's hot wires. He's done all the wiring in that for it.
Killer. That looks so high tech. It still looks very standard in here, which I really like. You know, you haven't put any gauges on it to make it.
Not into the gauges and just stuff like that.
Yeah.
Batteries in the boot, and he's just done it really nice.
Yeah, wow. What a setup. No, that's very clean. You can still drive it every day, hey? I mean, you drove from
Ballarat.
Yeah. Didn't this car fly over here?
No, we took the wings off it actually.
Man, what a build, man. This thing is something else. And I still can't believe this is phase 1 for you, really.
Yeah, this is only just the phase 1, and then we'll put the auto in there and the diff. And yeah, we'll just see how it all goes from there.
Perfect. Well, today we're gonna see how it lives up to all the hype. Obviously, this car is one of the craziest FDs ever.
Oh, so they say. But...
So they say. Oh, so I say. I'm so hyped for this. So I think it's time we sent it, man. Let's go. Let's do it, bro. Praise for me, guys, please. Very nervous, to be honest.
Don't be nervous, man. It's your car.
Oh, thank you, man. All right, we're in the cockpit. I'll give this to you. Thank you, my brother. Oh, man.
Little rev. That's it.
Sounds good. It sounds sick. What a setup. I might close that window just in case. All right. So just head off.
Head off. That's it.
I am extremely sweaty.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's a very hot day as well.
Right.
But the car drives well in this heat as well.
Yeah, beautiful.
Man. It's a showcase of what a rotary can do, really.
Yeah, basically.
Okay, first impression, this clutch is so easy to operate. I mean, first time driving it, it's a bit low.
Yeah, it's alright.
It feels good. Really nice and light.
It drives really nice, man. It really drives really nice. You know, it's not out there, it's not aggressive.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah. It's really nice. It feels like a standard FD, really.
Does it?
It doesn't sound like it.
Yeah.
But as it is, it drives, it handles, it feels proper. Beautiful. I'm kind of scared to jump on.
No, I'm scared, bro.
Like just cruising in it, initial impression, it's not a peak to drive. It feels so smooth and yeah, this is nice. Oh, you can heel and tow, rev match it. Is there any way to drive it particularly, or just hit it in second?
Yeah, just the way you drive it.
Alright, let's go, 4,000 in second gear. Oh man, this thing is really responsive. You were telling me off camera that it was a bit laggy.
I find it pretty laggy.
This thing is a rocket. That was about 30% throttle. Woo! It's so planet though.
Yeah.
Let's have a go again. 4,000. Oh man, this thing rips.
Yeah.
It rips. Okay, I love this car already. I think something about the FD is that you can hop in, you can go quick, you can steer it, it does everything. It is a true sports car.
Yeah, you like it?
Sorry?
Do you like it?
I love it.
It's yours.
Thank you. See you later.
I'll get out now.
But it's just remarkable, you know, you see RX2s and 3s, you can't drive it like those cars.
Yeah.
But this, you hop in and you're...
It's tame.
It's tame?
Yeah, I like it. Look, you get used to the power. You really do. You get used to the power. And you want more. You just want more.
I think it's a car that you can do it all in. You know,
yeah.
If you want to go track, you want to go drags, you want to go to a show.
Yeah.
This car is perfect. Oh, it's so well put together. What shocks are you running on it?
They've got coilovers. I don't know, some coilovers on it.
Oh man, this is sick. I don't even know how fast we're going. Oh, it says there. I wasn't even looking. We'll do a second gear pull.
I'll tell her to.
Yep.
Give me 2 secs.
Yep.
And we'll just put the boost up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Awesome. I'll give this back to you. Thank you for that.
Alright. So now we've got full boost.
Full beans. Alright. Now, I'll give it a bit more gas.
Yeah.
I feel a little bit more confident with it now.
Yeah, beautiful.
So we'll do a second gear pull. 3,000.
Yeah, good.
Feels good. Oh man, that is sick. Woo! How you find it over there?
Yeah, I find it good. How are you finding it? I'm used to this.
Really? Woo! There's a bit of a fright.
Yeah, just been stepped out a little bit. But
Yeah, but it's so progressive. You can kind of get off, get back on, and you're good. These cars are just built so well, and what you and everyone that's been involved with this car has done really took it to the next level,
oh,
man.
yeah, very
honestly. Oh, this is sick. Simon, what a car. You know, I've been in a lot of FDs, a lot of rotaries, but I think this has been something else, man. Really a showcase of a car that does it all.
Glad you're enjoying it.
I think it's time we let you take over.
Yeah.
And show us how it's done, man. I can't believe you can drive it like you drive a stock FD. This is madness.
Done.
Thank you so much for that,
No worries,
Simon.
mate.
Absolutely loved it. Let's have a quick switch. I'll let you jump in. Holy. I can't wait for this, guys. Alright, Simon. We've got 6% of battery left.
Done.
Let's make it happen, man. You know your way around Mexico?
Not really, so just turn right here.
Turn right here and yeah, I'm speechless already. Wow. How do you normally drive this car? Pretty hard?
Standard, man. Just a few.
That's all good. You're an animal, man. This is freaking crazy. It's freaking me out, man. What a car, man.
Yeah, I think we're running a little bit on fuel, so let's get some fuel.
Are you running out of fuel? Rotaries, right?
Yeah.
Man, that is wild. You're an animal! Yeah! Hey, I wasn't expecting you to do that in this thing, man. Oh my man, that was bonkers. Holy! Okay, I think that's a wrap, guys. That's got the stock diff, stock gearbox. How does it do it? Absolutely mental. That was sick, bro. Let's have one last look at this thing. Oh my god. What a machine. Guys, this was a showcase of a true FD RX7. Absolutely sensational. What a car. Thank you so much, Simon. That was epic. You put on a show for us and you freaked us all out. Guys, be sure to follow Simon on Instagram. He's got many things to come with this beast. Basically, day one with it as it currently sits. The record is coming, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed the video, guys, coming for you. Hit the thumbs up button. Let us know in the comments what you think of the car. And guys, consider subscribing to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.